Good afternoon, YouTube. So this afternoon, something different. Chris just bought a new variable speed polisher grinder, sander, or 7-inch grinder, 180mm, from Ryobi. Model EAG 1518RG. Rear grip is the RG on the end. Alright. Comes with a few bits and pieces. Looks like it even comes with a polishing mop and a hard case. Hard case is a big win. You cart your tools everywhere. Let's get her unwrapped. Alright, big blow mold case. Ooh, smells like China. Wool polishing mop. I'd say that's wool. Polishing mop. Side handle. Ryobi's actually pretty clever with the side handle. They actually mount the spanner in the side handle like so. So you can't lose your fitting spanner. Anyone that uses a grinder every day probably doesn't do them up that tight with a spanner anyway, but let's unwrap it. It's that bright Ryobi green we all love. So, comes with a grinding shield straight off the bat. Quick release. Oh, total quick release. You can take it straight off. That's a win. See the wheel? It's got a little wheel in there. That's nice.
You can rotate the actual trigger and everything.
Yeah, right. So, indefinite rotation of the guard. That's cool. Standard looking nuts, so all your previous angle grinder attachments will work on that. Now Chris just pointed out something real cool. You can rotate the end. Pull the little button in here, you can rotate the stock. So if you're cutting with it, you can hold it like that. Get the side handle in there for a bit of side handle action. You can hold it the direction that you're cutting. Really rubberized grip down here. Rubber on the face of the trigger. Little lock in the side. It's variable speed. Alright, what else is in the kit? What other goodies do you get? Great big sanding disc backing plate. You'll probably use that a bit, won't you?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what I got it for.
Big 180mm, 7-inch. Depends what money you'd like to spend. Sanding wheel. And it even comes with a grinding wheel to suit it. See, a lot of sites you're not allowed to use a 9-inch grinder anymore in Australia. 7-inch is still approved in most of them. So you get to use something that's not quite as hard to hang on to and do just a similar amount of work. Now, being Ryobi, it's got a 4-year replacement warranty, which is just crazy, especially for the dust and dirt that this one will probably see. Let's just tuck the disc in there as easy as that. Fits nice in the guard. Disc lock, like all grinders, fits really nicely in the guard. Just lock it off a little bit to ensure she stays. Slip the tool straight back in. We'll tighten that up. I'll find a lead and we'll plug her in and give her a quick test hit. Alright, so we've got the 180mm grinding wheel in there. Honourable mention to the nice lead support in the tail, and quite a nice, super flexible, maybe silicone rubber lead. Yeah, 1mm lead. So we'll fire it up on its first speed, low speed. We'll just see what it does RPM wise.
Plug it in.
I've unplugged it. Fail. So much fail. I'm not editing it out either. Just cruises. But it's infinite speed control. So we'll give it a rev up. And it's actually got the grunt to do something. Excellent. Feels really nice in the hands, rubber grips, rubber overmolds in places so that you don't mark the things. It keeps the aluminium part off the surface you sit it on so you don't damage your customer's gear. Righto, we'll unplug it, swap and see if it'll take a ZEC wheel. It's one of these that my mate uses often to tidy up concrete and edging and stuff like that. We'll see if one of them fits. Alright, so when we're using the sander backing pad, which is this big beast, it's like a fairly solid rubber piece. It's got the notch in here so it sits on straight on the gearbox, on the output shaft to drive it. You just wiggle that around until it drops on, like that. Grab our ZEC wheel. Different nut. This one's the flange nut. Getting these to start can sometimes be difficult because of the shape. Starting's going to be an issue. No, I can't get the centre to depress far enough to get it in there. You have to get that centre piece to depress in there. So with a bit of fighting and manipulating, we did get it in there. Took us a minute or two just to get it far enough down that you could get it to start, and the little pins on this actually go right through the flange nut and touch the open webbing in there. But we got it. They do fit. Fits nicely in the guard. Yeah. So with any of the Ryobi stuff, 4-year warranty, replacement. It all comes from Bunnings. That's the 7-inch grinder, polisher, sander, multi-purpose variable speed beast. So if this dies, you'll know about it. You'll see an update in the channel, and at the end of the video, I'll post a video link if it does die down there in the future, if you're watching this further off into the future. If it doesn't, we may even give it a re-review and show you how it's going. Pull the gearbox apart, something like that, put some grease in it. But 160 Australian dollars, roughly. Might vary wherever you are, but quite cheap. Replaceable brushes in the sides. Thanks for watching. There'll be some links to some other videos on this side. Subscribe button's over this side. Thanks for the support. Keep on watching. See ya.